Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. Firstly, you should open Files application, something like that. So here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents, and also apps. So let's transfer some images. So let's pick, for example, this one. So to select this image, you just hold down your finger on it, then you tap on three dots, select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then select to SD card, then select any folder you like, could be pictures for me. Tap copy here, and now we have this picture here on our SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.